In the world of law, a summons is a formal paper. It's like an important invitation you can't say no to. It means the court needs you to come. You have to be there on a specific day. The summons will say why. Maybe you saw something important and need to tell the court what you saw. Or maybe you're part of the case. Not listening to a summons can cause big problems. Imagine you saw a car accident. The court needs you to tell them what you saw so they can decide what happened. This is how a summons brings people to court. It's super important for making sure things are fair. Getting a summons can be scary, but it's important to understand why it's sent. It's a key part of how the law works. By going to court when you're summoned, you're doing your part to help the law. Section 27 of the Code of Civil Procedure, or CPC, in India tells us how legal cases begin. When someone starts a case, the court takes over. The court then sends a summons. This summons is the official start of the legal fight. Think about two neighbors fighting over some land. One neighbor goes to court. The court, using Section 27, sends summons to both neighbors. This summons tells them about the case and that they need to come to court. This part of the CPC makes sure everything is done in an organized way. It makes sure no one is surprised. By sending a summons, the court starts a fair process where everyone knows what's happening. Order V of the CPC has the rules for giving someone a summons. These rules make sure the summons gets to the right person. It also says how it should be delivered. Maybe someone brings it right to you, or maybe it's sent by mail, for example. Think about a case where someone breaks a contract. The court, following Order 5, will send the summons to the person who broke the contract. Now that person knows about the case and can get ready to defend themselves. These rules are really important for making things fair. They make sure everyone knows what's going on. They also get a chance to tell their side of the story. A summons, under Order 5, isn't just a note to come to court. It has important information about the case. It tells you who is involved. It says the date and time to be in court. It also tells you what happens if you don't show up. Imagine you get a summons for a case about someone saying you owe them money. The summons will clearly say how much money they say you owe. It will also have details about why they say you owe the money and what the court wants you to do. Understanding what's written in a summons is very important. It helps people understand the case against them. It also helps them get ready to defend themselves or find a lawyer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, Legal AAI.